So what's up, guys? We're in day 180, and today let's go. So yeah. So the exercise will be the daily one. So fruit into baskets. You are visiting a farm that has a single row of fruits trees arranged from left to right. The trees are represented by integer array fruits, where fruits I is the type of the fruit of the I've tree. All right. You want to collect as much fruit as possible. However, the owner has some strict rules that you must follow. You only have two baskets, and each basket can only hold a single type of fruit. There is no limit on the amount of fruit each basket can hold. Alright, starting from any tree of your choice, you must pick exactly one fruit from every tree, including the star tree, while moving to the right. The picked fruits must fit in one of your baskets. Once you reach a tree with the fruit that cannot fit in your baskets, you must stop. Alright, I think it's possible to do this in O of n. The problem is like we're gonna have two baskets. The number is always gonna be positive integers. I think so. So basically what we need to do is like the length of the most consecutive, like two different integers, and the biggest length you can have it with two different integers. So let me see how I'm gonna start this. Let's see for fruit and fruits. Mm. Like I'm thinking about doing a pointer. Like let me draw this. Actually, I think it's better. What I can do is like I was thinking about maybe one or three pointers. Let's see. Let me just draw this better. Get some colors. Like here we have like we're gonna have two pointers or at least one at the beginning. Let's see. Let me get rid of this. I'm thinking about like make this pointer codes like the first one we have, then we have a two, and then we have a three. Since we have a tree, we need to go back and maybe have a pointer on two. So we have another start. And from here, we keep going. What we need to do is like the first appearance of the we need the start of the first appearance of consecutive numbers like of the same integer. So we need a pointer to get back to this point. So basically, like if we have like, for example, 0, we would have like another answer. So we need to make sure we have like a pointer here, so we can from this one start counting again like once. Yeah, probably 3 pointers. 1 pointer that goes only 1 time. This pointer is gonna be O of n, it would never stop. This pointer will, and those other pointers gonna reference like the first iteration without consecutive ones. Like we go here, and this pointer needs to go here probably. And since we go here, this pointer goes here, but we're still counting. And we go like this, blow. Since we go here, we go like this. And we keep reading. Don't know if make sense for any of you guys, but let me try to code this. Probably gonna need to enumerate this. Actually, let me try to do a kill. Not a kill, but Gonna check if the fruit's gonna be different of what we got. Here I don't know if calendar H times is gonna be good, but whatever. I think it's alright. Let's see. Let me just, after the loop, I'm gonna do the real max. Gonna be this. Actually, I just need to do this. Alright, here we just gonna need to update the positions. Let me think about this. Yeah, I think this is gonna update as well. Let's continue here. We need to change everything. For example, here we're gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's index 5, we're gonna be index 6, 7, 8. Alright. 8 minus 5. First thing I'm gonna do is like calculate the real max. Let's do this out of here. It's index minus 1. It's gonna be almost the same. Now it's gonna see if I cooked. I'm just we just made everything wrong. I don't know. Let's see. Oh my god. Please, a first try. Please be a first try, bro. I want it so bad, bro. Let's see. Bro. Let's see this case. It would be so good if it was the first try, bro. It never is. Let's see what I'm doing wrong here. 3, 3, 3, 1. Here we have 4. And here we have 4 also. Here we have 5. And then we have a 3, so it gotta be 2, 3, 3, 3, and then we have 3. Alright, let's see what's happening here. Alright, it's never changing. Like here it's 0, 1. Wait, it's 1. Yeah, I'm not checking here. Let's see if this. Alright, doesn't make sense now. Look, I'm not getting because like here the third array should be a 2 here probably. And that's not making much sense. What what don't make sense is like how it passed, and I have no idea, bro. How the first case passed, bro. This is all my. I don't know, man. What's going on, man? I'm not kicking here actually. Let's see now. Yeah, now it does what it was like, what I wanted. What I don't get is like, why it passed the first time, bro? It makes no sense. It passed like 16 cases, bro. This code was giga garbage, bro. Let's see now. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Whatever, guys. I see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.